Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So frankly speaking, it is currently not possible to directly transfer Google Play Store's balance to another account. However, Google Play balance is tied to your specific Google account and cannot be transferred or refunded. If you are a family manager, you can either transfer a child's Google Play balance to your account. So simply tap open your Play Store and go to your profile. Then once you do this, Google Play Store does not particularly offer a feature to transfer it. Now, what you can do is simply go to the help and feedback. So once you're in the help and feedback option, you can simply type in balance transfer for in the search bar. Like you can simply type in transfer play balance from your child's account. So once you do this, now you can get help from the Google Wallet account or the Google Play Store account. So now you can simply follow the on-screen prompts that is given by your Play Store application, and by doing this you can simply transfer your Google Play Store balance to another account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.